Welcome everybody. We were building a 2D game engine that is scriptable using Lua, and we already completed the opening window part and the texture loading part. So we were able to load the background texture in our engines. Okay, so in this video we are going to first, let me just tell you one thing that I did in the meantime. I actually completed the object setup. So here you can see the objects. So now we are able to add objects, and I actually downloaded an asset for the background, and we are now able to add objects, and we are now able to control objects using our keyboard WASD, and we can add as many objects as we want. We can add the textures, and adding animations is going to be the major part of today's video. So as let's see the Lua for that game. As you could see, we are creating an object using the create object function that we exposed, and I have to admit that it wasn't that hard. Okay, so we can now add as many objects as we want. Let's create an object quickly. So we're going to create an object, and it's not playable, so I set the playable flag to false. Let's go with 100 comma 100, and let's change the texture to, let's go with dot slash assets slash okay, so that's it. Now let's try and run our engine, and I prefer making it clean because there was some CMake error. As you could see that we have gotten our object pretty nice, pretty good. Right here you could see the object, and we can add as many objects as we want with any texture that we want. Okay, so let's let me just tell you what's the goal for this video. So we want to be able to apply animation frame, so we want to be able to load all the animations and apply them. That's the goal for this video. Then we will be doing the physics, then we'll be doing the world generation stuff. Okay, so first we have to be able to load all the animations frame for all the object. It doesn't has to be super optimized, it just has to work, so that we have some base starting point from where we can start, and then we'll be continuing. So as you could see, we are finally successfully able to load all the different frames using Lua, obviously. And it is coming together, the program is coming together, and it is now starting to become a real engine. We'll be continuing over this in the upcoming videos. And yes, so yeah, that's it for today, I guess. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.